Welcome. If you're tired of constant reminders popping up on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, you'll learn how to disable notifications for the Reminders app on Instagram with the latest update. This quick guide will help you take control of your notifications so you can enjoy a more focused and distraction-free Instagram experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're on the main Instagram page, look to the left side menu. Here, you'll see several icons. Click on the one that represents your profile. It's usually your profile picture or a silhouette. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can access more settings. Next, find and click on Notifications in the left menu. This section lets you manage all your Instagram alerts and preferences. Once you're inside the notification settings, look for and click on Push Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune exactly which alerts you want to receive while using Instagram on your PC. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Reminders. This is the setting responsible for those persistent reminder notifications. To turn them off, simply select the Off option under Reminders. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for reminders on Instagram. From now on, you won't see those reminder pop-ups interrupting your workflow or browsing. If you ever decide you want to receive these notifications again, just follow the same steps and switch reminders back to on. Taking a few moments to adjust your notification settings can make a huge difference in your online experience. Enjoy your quieter, more focused time on Instagram, and don't forget to check out more tips for managing your social media settings. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.